Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with a special feature on what we consider the best saltwater pool winterizing kit for above-ground pools, the POOLHACKER 3-in-1 Winter Closing Kit. If you're a pool owner looking to simplify your winterizing process, stay tuned because this kit promises to keep your pool clean, clear, and ready for the next season. The POOLHACKER Winter Closing Kit is designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools with a capacity of up to 30,000 gallons. This kit is a complete solution that combines 3 essential functions to protect your pool throughout the winter. It's easy to use and saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy your winter months without the stress of pool maintenance. What sets this kit apart is its innovative dual protection feature. It utilizes 2 special winter balls that work simultaneously to maintain water clarity and prevent algae growth. This means come spring, your pool will be ready to go with minimal effort on your part. One of the standout benefits of the POOLHACKER kit is its ability to safeguard your pool surfaces. Many winterizing kits can be harsh and may lead to damage over time, but not this one. The formulation in the winter balls is designed to protect your pool while maintaining a vibrant blue color in your water. No more waking up to green, murky water when the thaw hits. Additionally, it eliminates the need for complex winterizing procedures. Simply toss the 2 balls into your pool before you close it up for the season, and you're done. This straightforward approach is perfect for those who may be new to pool care or simply want to avoid the hassle. Using the POOLHACKER Winter Closing Kit couldn't be easier. First, ensure your pool is clean and balanced before you start the winterizing process. Then, simply drop the 2 winter balls into the pool. They will float on the surface and begin working immediately, providing continuous protection throughout the winter months. For optimal results, we recommend checking your water levels and covering your pool with a winter cover after using the kit. This combination will ensure that your pool stays in great shape all winter long. In conclusion, the POOLHACKER 3-in-1 Winter Closing Kit is a game-changer for pool owners, especially those with saltwater systems. With its effective formulation and user-friendly design, you can confidently protect your pool without the usual stress and labor that winterizing can entail. If you're ready to simplify your winter pool care, be sure to check out the POOLHACKER Winter Closing Kit, available now on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy swimming. Until next time, keep your pools sparkling and your summers enjoyable.